Oh man, just climbed up this massive mountain. That's San Francisco way down there. Just ran up this thing. So I get questions all the time. That's why I'm a little out of breath, so apologies. But I have a lot of people who are skeptical on my blog that are asking me questions like, how did I actually make my millions? You know, am I just blowing smoke? Am I just, you know, selling education? Am I just a teacher? And that's really the way that I made mine and am living this sort of lifestyle. And I'm gonna go over that in this video. So I'm gonna, so the real way, how I really made millions, how I actually made all the money that I earned. None of it was given to me. And by the way, just to let you guys know, I grew up in a nice family, but nothing was ever given to me except a crazy work ethic. We're going up a little hill here, so pardon me if I huff and puff a little bit. How I actually made my money was through something called affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna go a level deeper than affiliate marketing because I know almost everyone here is an affiliate, and many of you are members of my training course or have been affiliate marketers and you watch my channel, or you do some level of digital marketing and you combine elements of commission-only marketing in your business. But people wonder, how did you make millions? You know, because a lot of people here are making thousands or hundreds of dollars a month. Many of you are making nothing, but to make hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands, fairly easy through affiliate marketing. So how did I make my millions? How did I actually do it? Did I break some rules, or did I, you know, what did I do? Here's the secret. Here's what I did that changed everything. The secret is, yes, I broke the rules, but I didn't break any laws, okay? That's the distinction. Breaking rules is different than breaking the laws. Okay, in laws, if you don't break the rule. So Arnold Schwarzenegger had a very famous quote, and I'm hoping my editors splice it in here, but he says, break the rules, don't break the law, okay? Break the rules, don't break the law. There are lots of rules in society. There's our parents are telling us what to do. Society is telling us what to do. Go to high school, go to college, you know, go to AP classes, then go to college, try to go to the best college, do 2 years of bullshit in college, 101 courses that don't matter, and then pick a major. Go to work for the man. Get fired because you hate your job and you hate your life, or move your way up and still hate your job and hate your life. You know, these are the rules society tells us. And there are lots of them. Google says, don't advertise this, or advertise this, or do this. You know, your school says, show up on time every day. All this stuff. If you don't show up to class, guess what? You're not breaking a law, you're breaking a rule. If you don't like college, you're not, and you don't want to go, it's not a law. You're breaking a rule. Rules are built to imprison our mind. Rules are built by society. They're not real. And if you want to be liberated, you've got to question everything. Question everything. By the way, look how cool this is. We're in the top of Haight-Ashbury.